Welcome to the Young's Academy channel. Please subscribe, share, comment, and watch till the end.
All right, just like I mentioned the other time, said in any design you need elements, pictures, shapes, and the rest of them like that to actually make your design very beautiful. So these various elements, most especially pictures has to be has to be transparent. That is, it must have a pure background so that it will not interact with the background of your design. Now, how do you get these pictures? First of all, though there are different platforms where you can download picture. Even when you go to Google itself, if you go to Google, you can download any kind of picture you are actually looking for. But I will show you how I normally get my own pictures, then how I remove the background before I import into Canva. Now this is Chrome. I make use of Chrome. Then in Chrome, I make use of two things. I make use of Pinterest. I make use of Pinterest. This is where I search for the pictures that I want. There's no picture you want here. I don't want. You want to design. You want to design a flyer for now. If you look at this search, you will see that these are the different things I have. I have searched the pictures for the various design I've done. So let me just search for bread picture. Yes, bread picture. You can see. Now let's assume I want to design for a bread bakery. Now this is what I'll be looking for. Now I think I like this. This is it. Now you can see how clean it is. Yes. So some people will save it, some people may not save. But what I do is I screenshot it. Yes. I normally take screenshots. If I take a screenshot, I will go to my gallery, crop it. So from here, I'll go to my gallery. Here is the picture. Then I will what? I will crop it. When I crop it, then I'll save. Now, I'll still go back to Chrome. Here in Chrome, what you do is you type remove background, remove.bg. Yes, here. Now, the essence of this remove.bg is to keep your picture without background. Yes, it's going to keep your picture in PSD format. It will have no background, so that when you are importing it into Canva, it will not interact with the background of your of your design. So here you click on upload image. Now this is the bread that I downloaded. Let's click on done. It will automatically remove the background for you. So let's wait while it loads. Yes, you can see it has edited it. Now you now come down, you will see download here. So you click on download, preview free. So now the picture has downloaded. Now let's quickly go to Canva and let's see how it will look like if you want to import it. Okay, this is the previous design I actually used. So let's just practicalize it here. I'll click on gallery. This is my gallery. Yes. Now you see the two pictures is here. The one has a black background, the other one has a white background. If you remember, we actually downloaded the white background and then we removed the white background to make it black background. Now if you are importing it into Canva, this black will not be there. It will only come in with only the bread. Now let's go in. I'll click on it, add to page. Bam, you see the bread. Now let me remove this. Let me remove. Now it's asking me, do I want to remove the frame? Look at it. Look at this. Do I want to remove the frame or the image? Now what I want to remove is the image. I'll click on delete image. You can see now. Now I will now pull this and replace. You see, there's magic in Canva. So this is it. Can you see now? You see that the bread only came alone without interrupting the background of your design. You can see it. Now let's import that particular one we downloaded without removing the background. This particular one that has white background. You will now see how it will what? Interact. Here you can see it came in. Now if you input this here, it will not make any sense. So that is the essence of what? Of removing the background in that particular manner. So just follow the due process. Use Pinterest. You can download the application. You can load it on Chrome. Use Pinterest. When you get the picture you want from Pinterest, go to remove.bg and remove the background. And always remember to crop it before you put it here in remove.bg. So that is how you get element. If you search anything, any kind of picture you want, you will get it from that Pinterest. So Pinterest has many, many pictures in it. If you want, let's say, someone advertising, logos, designs always has to do with adverts and all of that. So you can see, as this particular one is the one I used for the last ebook I edited on Canva. You can see, you can use all this. You can see the different pictures that you can use. So what you just do is what? Click on it, download it, click on it. Either you save it or you screenshot, crop it, then put it in remove.bg, remove the background and import it into Canva. Now, we might think this is stressful. No, it is not. It is just the due process on how you can what? On how you can actually create a perfect design. So if you find the video very helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when we drop any video, you get notified. And you can also join our academy for proper mentorship.
and training.
Thank you.